Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable or disable USB ports Windows 11 PC laptop. Open the Device Manager from the Start menu. Then display the line Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You will right-click on the one to be disabled and choose the option Disable Device. Confirm this by clicking Yes. You can see your disabled port. To enable it again, right-click on it and this time choose the option Enable Device. Wait for it to update. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.